In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Powered by Shopify from your Shopify site, a helpful tutorial especially designed for beginners. If you've ever noticed that little branding note at the bottom of your store and wondered how you could potentially remove it to make your site appear more customized, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can enjoy a more personal touch on your Shopify store. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to your Shopify site editor. You'll find that on the left-hand side, there is an icon displayed as 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll need to select the option labeled Edit Code. This option is what opens the doors to the inner workings of your site's design. Once you've opened the code editor, what you're looking for is a specific section in the code, known as the Sections folder. This is where various components of your website's layout are stored as files. Inside this folder, you'll find a file named footer.liquid. Think of this file as the blueprint for the footer section of your Shopify site. Moving on, to streamline this process, it's easier to use the find function within this file. This can usually be accessed by pressing Ctrl+F on a PC or Command+F on a Mac. In the small search bar that appears, type in Powered By link to locate exactly where the Powered By Shopify text is embedded within your footer code. As soon as you search for this, it will highlight the specific line of code that controls this text. The next step is simple, yet crucial. Go ahead and delete that line. Removing this specific line of code is what will effectively eliminate the Powered by Shopify text from appearing on your store. You might be surprised at how just one line of code can make a noticeable difference in the appearance of your website. And that, my friends, is essentially all there is to it. Once you've deleted the line, you should save your changes to ensure the edit takes effect. Refresh your Shopify pages if needed, and you'll see that the Powered by Shopify message has now disappeared from your store's footer, giving your site a cleaner and more professional look. It's a small tweak, yet it's one that can significantly enhance the branding of your online business. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial on enhancing the aesthetic of your Shopify site. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to leave a comment or a like, and subscribe for more helpful tips to optimize your Shopify experience. Until next time, happy designing!